What's up everybody, welcome back to the vlog. We're gonna be installing some sea lights. As you can tell, I have the base chrome headlights that's gonna change today. I'm gonna put some black spray paint and then also have the Morimoto sea lights with the butyl rubber DRL harness, and then the actual sea light itself with all the wiring and the T-tabs. Alright, let's get to it. Yes sir! Let me show you real quick. This is how it looks right now. Got the chrome all around, and then I actually had LEDs installed up here. The sea light is gonna be that whole C shape, and we're gonna spray the whole inside housing. Alright, first step, remove the clips underneath. Right, first step, remove the clips underneath. There should be 9 clips somewhere, and then there's gonna be one more, I think like a push clip here by the wheel well. So 3 in the bottom on each side, 3 in the center, and 1 here. Okay, now that you got the clips underneath, pop the hood, go up top, take out these bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then pop clips. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we got the 2 headlights off. It's pretty easy. You have to take out the headlight support, and then yeah, so time to open these puppies up. Good tip, always have a soft surface so you don't scratch the lens of it. So that's why I have like a shop towel or mat. Anyway, getting to the headlight. Okay, now you're gonna wanna unscrew the Phillip heads. There's 6 of them. There's 1, 2, 1 in here, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then after that, you wanna get a flathead and take these tabs off on both sides, just to make them loose, and then you're gonna hit the edges around the headlight with the heat gun. Alright, so we just took off the lens off the right side. Rate it 1 to 10 difficulty.
Pretty easy, but patience is
yeah, you need patience, and make sure you take off all the screws
yeah,
before you break something. Luckily we took off everything, and here's the lens right here. So I'm gonna be painting this chrome on the inside. So you just take out the Phillips heads. 1, 2, 3. I think it's only 3. I'll let you know if there's more. Alright, time to the other side and we can get to paint. Alright, so we actually applied the first coat. Sorry, it's kinda dark right now, but the first coat, very light, very spotty, I would say, but that's why you have the other 5 coats to even everything out. Now we're gonna work on the wiring and try and figure it out, because I have no clue, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I just wired up the right side sea light, and I already tested everything out. It works, but so the sea light connects to the switchback driver. This is the driver right here, and then it runs along here to the 4 wires, which are like, let me just show you, which are black, white, red, and yellow. The yellow one goes to your turn signal, yellow to blue, so that the sea light flashes when you do your like hazards or your turn signal. You have your white and black wire. White goes to red and the black goes to black. Pretty simple. Kind of weird though, because you have the red freely here, but you have the white to red. But anyway, we're gonna finish painting up right now. Finish painting up, put everything back together and we'll see the final result.
Yo, quick update.
We finished painting, we put it back in the lens.
Show the whole thing? Nah, no show them, nah, show them everything. Nah, show
We'll
them
show it to you
only
after.
a little bit right there. You get the side.
Sneak peek.
Sneak peek, sneak peek.
No, I'm putting the sealant, or the, what do you call this? Butyl. Let's just call it butyl.
Beautiful. Okay.
Putting this back on, we're gonna heat it up and then reseal everything. And then do the other side. We'll show you the finished results after. I'm excited. Are you excited?
They look pretty nice. I like them. I like the black.
There you go.
We're just trying new things, ah.
First time I ever opened up that light. We made some minor mistakes, but we're not gonna show you that. Let's just see if you can catch it and just comment down below my mistakes. Alright guys, so we just finished putting the sea lights. We ran into technical difficulties because one of the harnesses for the turn signal to work with the sea light was faulty, so we left them unplugged, which is a bummer because we gotta take out the bumper again. But we're only running it with the daytime and regular headlights, if you know what I mean. But let's show you real quick.
Turn that off. Yeah, you. Right there. Yeah, you can see.
So this is parking lights. They're bright as hell.
Focus? No, like focus. Oh no, it just sees a big blue. Just a big blue light.
So the housing came out pretty good. Got rid of all that chrome. All black now. Check this side. Came out nice. Even though it took forever. Trying to diagnose the problem. I can't get it to focus, sorry guys. It's bright as hell. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe because I got more parts on the side. Just no more time.
Too much.
Yeah, too much parts, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys later. Peace.